Smile Sunday, dear friends. Today I want to speak to you about stomach pain. Today I want to speak to you about obesity, gas, acidity. All this can be really, that would not exist if we eat right. If we are having regular problems with our stomach, we must understand that somewhere we are going wrong. Our food would be digested if we take more vegetables. A lot of vegetables to the extent of 50% vegetables, 20% proteins, and 20% carbs. Vegetables could be taken in the form of vegetables, soups, salads of your choice. You could really repeat a few vegetables that you like till you get bored of them, but still eat them. When we take combination foods where the carbs are more, please check that you do not eat them more and add it up with soups and salads. If we talk about the present lifestyle, there is no time. There's no time for entertainment. People are working so hard. So when they come back home, it is normally a combination of a television, their phones, and the food. So I don't know how I can suggest, but each one to himself. Either you enjoy the television or you enjoy the food, because both are equally important. So when we eat our food with, while looking at the food, while enjoying the food, enjoying the taste of the food, the aroma of the food, our salivary glands would function well. And when they start emitting the enzymes, we will have no obesity, no gas, and no stomach pain. So let's take an oath today that if we want to watch television, for some time we'll keep the food aside. We can tell our parents, please listen to your children. If they are more interested at that time into the entertainment, the television, they've just come back from school or come back from work, please let them watch the television. And once they are satisfied after about half an hour, 40 minutes, and then sit down on the dining table and eat your food well. Chew your food well so that it reaches the salivary glands under the tongue, on the palate, on the sides. And once you chew it well, you give it intention, the hormones will work and your food would be digested well. If you have a problem, then we must have a cure also. In Sujok therapy, this is the stomach. So if we stimulate this area, either by pressure or by, in Sujok therapy, we put seeds and tie them with a paper tape so that it can give continuous pressure for a few hours. Even that is going to help. In acupuncture, we understand that the stomach meridian runs from the face, it goes like this and goes up. So if we are eating wrong, we develop acne, we develop skin problems. So it's not just stomach pain, but also your acne, your skin will show that you are not eating right, because the stomach meridian gives energy, it's on the face, and then it goes down. So if we have a problem, finally, we can, stimulate this area. We can massage this finger. We can, press this area, which would be very comforting. We can go up the leg, massage this area, this outer side of your leg. Come up to the knee, sides of the knee, the patella, and then this muscle. There are various points on the stomach as well, around the navel, which would also give relief to constipation, gas, acidity, and stomach pain. So a good massage, eating well, eating with discipline, having water, only, gulps of water. We must have water in sips. We can have it during meals, but do not have a glass full of water with the food, because you dilute the enzymes, and then your enzymes will not be able to digest your food. Lots I can tell, but I think this is enough for today. Have a great day. Enjoy your Sunday. Have a good meal today. Bye bye.